Hey, what's going on out there? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and I'm going to share with you another cool little feature of Builderall that I've been using. So I actually built a new blog using the responsive blog builder, but it's similar. It's similar to WordPress, except that the plugins are a little bit different, but it still has the same features. I know a lot of you are probably used to the plugin Yoast, which helps with SEO rankings. So I'm going to show you how to use the Builderall SEO app to see your where you stand for SEO ranking using the blog feature. So you can still rank your blog and all that. It's just a little bit different process. So here is a new post I just created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL, and then I'm going to come over to my Builderall back office, and then I'm just going to come down to SEO on page report tool, and simply going to copy and paste the URL there, and then the keyword that I want to rank for. So in this case it's stay-at-home mom, since the article is about how a single stay-at-home mom made $1,000 in her first 2 weeks online. So now I'm just going to send, and it's going to give me the report. It's going to tell me everything that I've done right, everything that I need to do in order to improve my chances of ranking on first page of Google. So we'll just scroll down, and as you can see, it gives me a grade here. So it's A, so that's good. That's a good sign. And I scored. This is what you're looking for. So the critical factors, I got 4 out of 4. That's really good. High relevance factors, 7 out of 7. That's really good. Moderates, low relevance, and optionals. Those aren't as important, but the more greens you can get, or the turquoise, whatever color it is, you can get, the better. But mainly these two right here are the ones you really need to focus on. And then you can just do the little things here, and that'll improve your chances as well. So you just scroll down, and just kind of look through everything that you need to be incorporating into your blog posts, and you just go through here, and you'll go back to your blog and fix those issues there until it tells you that you've hit all the requirements here. So I'll just scroll down real quick, and you can just take a quick look at how I set my blog up. So I've got one H1 header, which is what is required, and of course the keyword is in those headers, and then this is an H2, and the rest are H2. I didn't stuff the keywords. I have an image that has the keyword in it. That's another important factor. And then so that's pretty much it. That's how I set that up. It's very important that you have these H1 headers in here. This is kind of what makes Google look for authority in websites, is when you have these and you have the keywords stuck in there. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Just simple little process on just how to kind of get the most out of your Builderall platform. So if you're not using Builderall, you can check it out for free by clicking the link below, and subscribe to this channel, because I'll have more training for Builderall, as well as some other training for CPA and affiliate marketing to get increase your income. So talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.